At first glance, you might mistake this clean BMW build for an M2, but there's more to this Bimmer hatchback than meets the eye. It's actually a BMW 1 Series, an M135i specifically, but that's arguably the least interesting thing about Speed-TEC Dueren's build. On the outside, the whole front has been swapped over to that of an M2, this includes the bumper, headlights, and front fenders. However, the hood has been replaced with an aftermarket carbon unit from Alpha N for a more aggressive look and to help save a bit of weight. The sides of the hatchback remain largely the same, but adding an F80 BMW M3 rear axle forced the owner to give it a widebody kit to cover the wider tires and bigger wheels. It's a subtle kit that can pass off as an OEM, it's not as crazy as the pink BMW M4 by DarwinPRO Aerodynamics. Widebody BMW engine swap builds have been done before, but this one still stands out with its S63 twin-turbo V8 from a BMW X6M that pushes out up to 800 horsepower with a special tune from Speed-TEC. The turbos have also been replaced with aftermarket units from the turbo engineers. While it can produce up to 800 horses, the car makes 600 horsepower from pumped gas. We guess that makes the daily commute a bit more manageable. Aside from this, the 1 Series was also blessed with the X-Drive system from the X6M, giving it all-wheel drive capabilities to help manage all that power. Speaking of power, the engine swap allows the hatchback to rocket from 62 miles per hour to 124 miles per hour in just 5 seconds, making it one quick BMW. Handling all that power are two ECUs, the first is from the donor X6M, while the second is an ECU from an F10 BMW 5 Series. The F10 5 Series also donated its fuel pump to this crazy build. As for its suspension, it rides on KW V3 coilovers, with the rest of the car borrowing suspension components from the X6M and the F80 BMW M3. On the inside, the build has the seats, dashboard, and gauge cluster from an M2 competition. Everything works and functions as it should, like a stock vehicle. While there have been more powerful BMW builds out there, this one is quite unique in terms of execution, with everything looking very close to factory specifications.